medyo naalala ko bigla. Parang nilulugi ang mga Pilipino yata. Nilulugi yata tayo, pare. Nilulugi ang mga Pilipino. Alam mo kung bakit? Ha? Nung isang araw o nung isang buwan, natatandaan nyo ba kung sino po yung Pilipino na panalo din dapat, pero naku, naisahan na naman tayo. No? Naalala nyo ba kung sino? Sige nga, naalala nyo kung sino yung boksingero na munti ka na mapabaksak at manakaut itong isa pong superstar ng boxing ng isang promotions. Parang nadalawahan na tayo sa Amerika. Hindi yata napapaboran ng Pilipino. Ngayon ko lang naisip na pucha, pati si Charlie Suarez, pati ba naman si Manny Pacquiao gagawin nila to? Pero again, if you understand boxing, if you understand the business side of it, then after mo mag-let out, ganun kasi tayo, kailangan natin mag-move on. Mag-move on tayo para maging successful tayo at saka we can grow. But we have to move on. Charlie Suarez got this rematch, and Manny Pacquiao probably will get another fight. Okay? Now, let's talk about what could happen. Una-una, wala pong magiging review. Yung labang kasi, again, hindi po siya ganun ka-controversial. The score is not that controversial. It is controversial, pero pag ganyan ka-close, hindi po yan nare-review. Yung mga nagtatanong sa akin, reverse, wala pong ganyan-ganyan. Bihirang-bihira po nangyayari yan unless there's something really, kumbaga, dramatic. There's something really, yung wari, may mga issue talaga na nakakapagbago po. Pero dito, wala po. So what's the next big question? Do you want to see a rematch? Because that is probably the first thing that people will have in mind. Rematch with Manny Pacquiao and Mario Barrios. Is that something that you're interested in? Interested po ba yung mga nanonood? Okay. So, let me tell you what I think about this rematch. Okay? Ang rematch ni Manny Pacquiao at ni Mario Barrios, personally, of course, I would say personally kasi ako to, I wanna see it. But does it make sense to do it again? Maybe. Like what I said, sabi ko, nagtapos ang istorya ni Manny Pacquiao nung natalo siya. Akala natin, tapos na. No? Nung natalo siya, kasi pag natatalo boxer, sakalang tumitigas, sabi ng mga tao, eto, nagbukas sila ng bagong chapter. WBC, Mario Barrios, naglaban sila. We didn't get an ending. We didn't get a win or a lose. Mas okay sana kung pag natalo, at least sasabihin natin, tama naman talo Nanalo, sige pa. Pwede pa, or pwede rin mag-retire kasi panalo tayo as champion kasi yun naman talaga yung pinaka-ideal, di ba? Retire as a champion. Draw ang nangyari. Ano ngayon mangyayari? Manny Pacquiao was asked after the fight, sabi niya, sabi sa kanya, you wanna draw, of course. And then yung legacy, gusto niya. So, I think there's enough interest for this one to happen. Okay? But, that would really depend siguro ngayon sa aking palagay. I mean, if it's just boxing that we're talking about, pwede po. Okay? Ulitin ko kung boxing lang, pwede. But, let's see. Ano kaya ang naging resulta ng pay-per-view nito? Ano kaya naging resulta ng gate tickets? How much does the fans want to see this fight? And there's two things pa na dapat i-consider. Will the fans want to see Manny Pacquiao back? Or would the fans want to see Manny Pacquiao retire? Pakisagot. Or, yung dalawang question na yon, or gusto ba nilang makita pa yung Mario Barrios versus Manny Pacquiao? Personally, this is a book that has been open pero hindi pa tapos. Kumbaga, this is unfinished business with Mario Barrios. And I tell you this, iniisip ko pa lang, iniisip ko parang kaya niya talagang talunin si Manny Barrios eh. Kayang-kaya guys. Sa nakita natin, I mean, sobrang napabilib ako ni Manny Pacquiao at 46 years old eh. 'Di ba? Kayang-kaya niya pa lumaban. 'Di ba? So, I am interested in seeing that fight, and I think it's a winnable fight. If that fight were to happen, if that makes business sense, I would like to see that happen within this year. Because si Manny Pacquiao hindi na pwedeng magtagal-tagal. Kasi pag nagtagal-tagal pa, alam mo na, pag tumagal kasi, baka mas lalo tumanda. Di ba? Although, record na naman pag naging 47 siya. So, but, eto, so I wanna see that. Pero,